one experiment there, dissolve and not dissolve. First we check salt. Near home you have to prepare a lemon juice. You putting salt there. What happens? Salt is mixed with water. That means any liquid is mixed with water, that is called dissolved. Now cannot mix with water is not dissolved. Then next is soil. Soil dissolved with water? No, not dissolved. Soil is cannot dissolve. Then next is chalk powder? No, not dissolved. Then 1 spoon milk, dissolve. Oil, not dissolved. In some questions there, could you see the salt after it dissolved in water? If no, why? That means this salt is mixed with the water. Yes or no? Why? Then no, because salt got dissolved completely into water. That means after 5 minutes we have to check the salt. You have to see salt. No, why? The salt is dissolved in water. Then does that mean that the water does not have a salt? If it has, then where is the salt? That means that salt where present. Then of course water contains salt. It is completely mixed up in the water. That means that salt is completely mixing up in the water. Then what difference did you see in your water with salt and water with chalk powder after keeping for some time? That means you have to take one beaker salt water and another beaker you dissolve chalk powder. Then after 5 minutes you check that 2 beakers. What happened? Salt is mixed with water and chalk powder cannot mix with water. Then salt is completely mixed with water. Chalk powder is settled down the beaker. That means water and salt got mixed together completely, while chalk powder settled down at the bottom of water. Then which of the two would you be able to separate from the water by straining with a cloth, salt or chalk powder? That means you have to do chalk and salt powder mixing with water. Then which is used to straining with a cloth, which salt or chalk powder, which is used to strain with a cloth, which is used chalk powder. Then while doing the experiment, Aisha and Hamid had an argument. Aisha felt that after stirring the oil dissolved in water, Hamid did not agree. He said, look, the tiny yellow oil drops can still be seen in the water. Aisha said, let's wait for some time and then see. That means you have to put 1, 2 or 2 drops of oil in the water and stir well. Then after 5 minutes you check. This oil is mixed with water? No, oils cannot mix with water. Why oil cannot mix with water? Oil is insoluble in water. That means oil is insoluble. Soluble liquid are mixed with water. Insoluble liquid cannot mix with water. The next one is rising drops. Rising means then I should put 2 drops of oil or 3 drops of oil on the lid for her tiffin box. Next to that she put 2 drops of water and 2 drops of sugar solution. She tilted the lid. She saw some drops slid down quickly while some were left behind. That means Aisha's tiffin box lid there. She added 3 kinds of liquid. First water, second oil and third sugar. Then one is suddenly flow on the downside, which is water. Water is flow on the left. While the water drop went ahead, it happens because water does not stick to the tiffin box, but the sugar and oil top sticks. That means water cannot stick in the tiffin box lid, then sugar and oil stick in the lid. Then next is where one day Aisha's mother put some water to boil on the stove for making tea. She got busy with something and forgot glass of water, then it is boiling 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes you check the water level is low there. Why this water very slow? That means it is go up. That means vapor water. Think where did the water go? The water is evaporated. That means it is evaporated. Why did the Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu keep their mango jelly in the sun? They did so to evaporate water from their mango jelly. Then at your house, that what things are made by drying in the sun. In your home, some things also drying in the sun. Some example, mango jelly, that means papad. Then these potato chips are made by keeping in the sun. Why? This it contains water there. This water is evaporated. Then in this chapter, next very important there, Dandi March. This incident took place in 1930. Dandi March is in 1930. Dandi March is in 1930. Before India became independent for many years the British had made a law that did not allow people to make salt themselves. They had also put a heavy tax on salt. By this law, people could not make salt even for use at home. How can anybody live without salt? Gandhiji said, how can a law not allow us to use freely what nature has given? Then Gandhiji with several other people went on a yatra, long walk from Ahmedabad to Dandi. That means Dandi is in Surat. Ahmedabad to Dandi. Seashore in Gujarat to protest against this law. Then do you know how salt is made? Yes, the sea water is collected in the shallow beds, dark in the sand. Water is allowed to dry in the sun. After the water dries, the salt remains on the ground. That means sea shore sides, small holes, small pits doing this collect water in the holes. Then it is sunlight evaporate this water. Then after settle the salt. Then which year Dandi March 1930 who leading with Gandhiji, then place Ahmedabad to the Dandi in Seashore in Gujarat. You have washed your handkerchief and you want to dry it quickly. What all can you do? By your hand. Then for that, first the water from the handkerchief should be squeezed out properly and then it should be kept in the sun or pressed by iron. Then sunlight or pressed by iron time, this water is evaporated and suddenly dry our handkerchief. Then what things do you put in water to make tea? Which of these things dissolve in water? In tea making, which things using milk, tea leaves, sugar, etc. Which is dissolving sugar, milk. Then tea leaves cannot mix. Then you have been given some mystery pieces or lumps of sugar. Suggest some ways to dissolve them quickly. To dissolve the mystery quickly, first you should crush to make powder of it. Then after adding it into water, the mixture should be stirred thoroughly. The mixture could also be heated over the flame to dissolve in mystery quickly. That means this all time also, then mystery making time also, it contains water evaporating. Then in this chapter we discuss 4 main things. First one is float and sink. Float and sink, dissolve, not dissolve. That means soluble. Soluble means mixed with water and Insoluble. Insoluble means cannot mix with water. And next is evaporation. Evaporation. These are the main points. First, float. Float means then float where weight objects are lie low on the. Once more, sink means weight objects lie low on the water. Float means lightweight objects lie on the water. Sink means in the water. Float means on the water. Then dissolve means any liquid mixed with water. That means soluble, not dissolved or insoluble. Insoluble means cannot mix with water. Then evaporation means water is absorbing of vapor form. Is called evaporation. Okay, our lesson is complete. Then you have to study well this portion. Okay.